Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 4-in-1 pan. This is a nice size pan. It's actually 11 inches squared by a little over 4 inches tall, and you have handles on both sides. It's a nice stainless steel handle, and when you flip this little baddie over, you actually have this nice surface that'll work on all sorts of stoves. So I have an induction stove, and this works on it. Even though this is an aluminum core, you've got this that allows you to cook on any surface. So when you put that on, I'm just going to show you that it does turn on. It does allow you to actually use it. So my stove is working with it. Since I'm not putting anything in there, I'm not actually going to cook. But this does have a little frying thing where if you wanted to put oil in the bottom of there, you can either have it up at a higher setting or drop it down in there, let that little thing cook. Fantastic. I love the little basket to be able to put your fried food in, so that part is really nice. And they also provide a little steaming shelf. So you have these little things, you hook those in, and you can put your food up to where it's steaming inside of here, or you can just use it as a normal saucepan. Maybe cook up some pasta, cook up whatever you're wanting to. You've got your nice clear lid, nice handle. You've even got a little ventilation hole. And this is, really nice. It's pretty lightweight. Another thing that I do appreciate on here are these little pour handles. So if you did have like a soup or something, you can pour it out and it's not just going to go everywhere. It's going to funnel right into here. It's a beautiful copper color, so it's really nice looking. Love the handles, the versatility of it. This will be a great pot for anyone's kitchen with all the extra accessories. You don't need anything else.